Summer is here. We have a wide array of juices available to us now. But what have our ancestors been taking traditionally? Every drink was made with locally available ingredients according to the season and, of course, with a host of health benefits. Come, let's explore the treasure trove. Starting from today, we will have a series on traditional Indian summer drinks. Today's recipe is going to be Panagam, made across South India, a drink traditionally associated with the festive season of Rama Navami. Here we are going to see two types, one Panagam and the other Kharbooja Panaka, using Yellow Musk Melon, which is famous in Karnataka. Welcome to Whada Gravy. If you like my videos, do subscribe. To not miss out on new videos, press the bell icon after subscribing. The ingredients required for Panagam are jaggery, cardamom, dry ginger or sukku. This is homemade, done by peeling the skin of the ginger and drying it. Salt, lime, edible camphor and tulsi. Edible camphor and tulsi are optional. For the preparation, take 1 cup of jaggery. Jaggery is rich in iron and antioxidants and helps purify the blood. Break it into pieces and crush to a powder form. If you have powdered jaggery, you can also use that. Mix 2 cups of boiled and cooled or filtered water to the jaggery and set it aside for 10 minutes. By then, the jaggery would have dissolved. After 10 minutes, stir well and strain the jaggery water using a sieve so that the dirt particles, if any, can be removed. Add 2 cups of boiled and cooled water to the jaggery water. Check to see. If it is too sweet, add 1 more cup of water or according to taste. Water stored in clay pots are naturally cooling. To this, add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, half a teaspoon of dry ginger or sukku powder. Dry ginger and cardamom are beneficial aids for digestion. 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Salt enhances the flavor of the drink. Mix well. For the Kharbooja Panaka, the ingredients are the same. The only variation is that muskmelon is crushed and added to the regular Panaka. Take 1 small-sized muskmelon, cut the muskmelon, scoop out the seeds from inside, cut the fruit. Remove the pulp. Ideally, I would have preferred an even riper fruit. Then it can just be mashed with hand and added. Now I am using a mixer jar to grind it to a coarse paste. The riper the fruit, the sweeter it is and better the taste. Now add the previously prepared Panagam water to the ground muskmelon mixture. Top it with a few finely cut muskmelon pieces. Our refreshing Kharbooja Panaka is ready. To serve, if you want to serve it as a prasad, add a pinch of edible camphor and a few tulsi leaves. To the other Panagam, add lime juice as per taste and garnish with cardamom pods. Lime juice is rich in vitamin C, and when taken with jaggery, which is rich in iron, it helps in the absorption of iron. Add finely cut muskmelon pieces to the muskmelon Panaka. Enjoy the festive season with these refreshing drinks, whichever way you want to make it. Can also be consumed regularly. What is your favorite traditional summer drink? Do drop your comments below. We'll meet you on Thursday with another interesting traditional drink recipe.